Need to subtract numbers in Excel, but not sure how? Whether it's simple numbers, dates, or entire columns, this tutorial will make you an Excel subtraction pro in under 5 minutes. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics, subtracting two numbers. In cell C2, we'll subtract the value in A2 from B2. Type equals sign. Select the B2 cell. Add a minus sign and select the A2 cell. Press enter and boom, you get 30, the result of 50 minus 20. Excel always calculates from left to right with the equals sign at the beginning. Now, drag the fill handle down to copy the formula for the rest of the rows. Or, double-click on the bottom right corner of the cell. Want to subtract a fixed number from a value? Let's say each product has a $5 discount. In cell D2, type equals sign. Select the B2 cell. And minus $5. Press enter. Done. This subtracts $5 from the sales figure. It's perfect for applying the same deduction across multiple rows. You can even subtract dates. Want to calculate the number of days between two dates? In cell C2, type equals sign and select the EndDate. Minus, select the StartDate. Hit enter and you'll get 5, meaning 5 days between two dates. Excel stores dates as serial numbers, which makes subtraction super smooth. So now you know how to subtract in Excel, whether it's numbers, dates, or full columns, Excel handles it with ease. If this video helped you, drop a like and share it with someone learning Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more simple, smart Excel tips. Thanks for watching.